day, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, talking about some of my favorite plants. There are so many favorite plants. Often I'm asked, what plant really turns you on? And then I essentially answer the one I'm looking at right now. But there are plants that when my daughters ask me or friends ask me what they should plant, I ask a few questions about sunshade, etc., etc. But I always come back to some of these favorite, really tough but beautiful plants that almost anybody can have in their garden. Today, I want to share a plant that not only I happen to love, and if you can grow it, you do too, I know. It's a plant that gives us fabulous color, fall, or at least late summer and fall color, comes back year after year, and is one of those plants that's just great to share with people, not only because it has this cool name called naked ladies, resurrection plant, hurricane lily, and all sorts of other cool names, but it's really easy to grow. This plant I am referring to is in the genus called Lycoris, Lycoris, and it's a bulb, and it's not for everybody. There are a number of species of Lycoris. Some will go up to the Midwest for sure, the pink Lycoris, and the red Lycoris will certainly go very, very well in southern states. It's called naked ladies in general because the plants flower on naked stems. And it's called resurrection lily because in the spring you will see leaves come up and they just totally disappear. And you totally forget about this plant, and it resurrects itself in late summer, August, September, October. And the plants flower like crazy at that time. I love naked ladies, not only for the story, of course, and the name, and everybody chuckles and winks and all those cool things when you tell them the common name, but it is an easy plant to grow if you can grow it. Like any plant, it's going to do well in some areas, but not well in the entire world. But I love naked ladies because of the foliage in the spring, which is lovely, but you know it's going to go away. So you can easily plant other things around it. And the foliage will then decline as spring continues into summer. They'll be gone certainly by early summer. And again, as I mentioned, the plant will have just disappeared not only from the garden, but from your mind until it pops up again in the fall. And what fun that is. As I mentioned many times, gardening is all about having something to look forward to. And I look forward to these darn things all the time. They're easy to find in bulb catalogs. Put them in full sun. They are either going to be spectacular or, if you're too cold, they won't come. But there's ones that grow further north, and they're, as I mentioned, the pink naked ladies, and that's called Lycoris squamigera. And the ones that grow further south are the red naked ladies, and those are called Lycoris radiata. Listen, just have fun. It's a plant that will quickly become your favorite as well. I hope you have enjoyed today's story as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you for listening. For more information and more stories, go to my website, www.alanarmitage.net. If you go to the bookstore, you will see one of my most popular books, Naked Ladies and Forget-Me-Nots, How Plants Get Their Common Names. And another wonderfully popular book is Legends in the Garden. Who in the world is Nellie Stevens? These and other books on the website I think you will enjoy, and I hope you have a chance to take a look at them. Once again, thank you for listening, and I look forward to sharing another story with you next week.